Good morning, aspirants. Welcome to Astra series. As you know, this is daily current affairs for Prelims 2023. Exclusive Prelims current affairs will be discussed here. Right. Prelims 2023, those who are looking for current affairs, what to read from the so-called, what to extract from the Hindu, the Indian Express, as well as from PIB. I am starting them exclusively from Prelims content so that you have to know need to waste your time, right? Now let me go into today's current affairs, that is September 21st current affairs. The first one is global registry of fossil fuels. In environment they can ask these type of questions. The world's first registry of fossil fuels was launched by Carbon Tracker, a non-profit think tank, and Global Energy Monitor. So they will just ask who has launched this. Global Registry of Fossil Fuels, Carbon Tracker, it is a non-profit think tank, Global Energy Monitor. GEM plus Carbon Tracker has launched Global Registry of Fossil Fuels, which will be a register of public database of what are the things that people are burning. So who is this? Carbon Tracker, Global Energy Monitor. Done. Second one, Swachh Sujal Pradesh. Andaman and Nicobar Islands have got the first Swachh Sujal Pradesh certificate by Jal Shakti Ministry. Now under Swachh Bharat Mission they are giving some Puraskars. One that is Swachh Sujal Pradesh. That is Andaman and Nicobar got this. So this is the first time that they have given. Just remember the ministry and which has got it. Ministry is Ministry of Jal Shakti. Andaman and Nicobar have got it. In Andaman, all the villages in Andaman and Nicobar has received Ardh Ghar Jal certification. As a result, Swachh Sujal Pradesh was given to this. Something quite a plausible achievement by the so-called this Andaman and Nicobar Island. Moving further, Indian Swachhta League was started by Swachh Bharat Mission. Indian Swachhta League, Swachh Bharat Mission, urban component launched this. No, they don't ask this. Just remember two things here. Swachh Bharat Mission Urban 2.0. This 1.0 was from 2014 to 2019. From 2000, the second one is from 2021 to 2026. Right. This is what we are continuing. So 14 to 19 is 1, 21 to 26 is Swachh Bharat Mission 2.0, Urban 2.0. Right. Now they will just ask who is implementing agency. Just remember, don't need to remember this. Swachh Bharat Mission Urban component is implemented by Ministry of Urban Affairs. Pradhan Mantri Pranam scheme. Recently, Government of India has launched promotion of alternative nutrients for agricultural management. Promotion of alternative nutrients for agricultural management. Now, why this scheme is there? This scheme is just to minimize the use of chemical fertilizers. Just you remember this. This is more than enough. Ministry of Agriculture has launched this scheme. Ministry of Agriculture Pranam scheme, alternative nutrients for agricultural management, chemical fertilizers. The next one is India's foreign trade agreements. India has signed so far 13 foreign trade agreements as per PIB report. Ministry of Commerce and Industry will be giving this FTAs. Today, Piyush Goyal, the Minister of Commerce and Industries, he has said this data, or he has said something about FTAs, that is in news. That is why I have given this. India has so far made 13 FTAs, including 3 agreements of CECPA. Now, what are the 13 agreements? Just remember this. India has agreements with India, Sri Lanka, SAPTA, South Asian Association for Free Trade Region. This is called SAARC FTA. For SAARC regions, you have FTA. India, Sri Lanka, India, Nepal, India, Bhutan, India, Thailand Harvest Scheme, one type of FTA. India, Singapore. Just like SAARC, you have with ASEAN also. India, South Korea, India, Japan, India, Malaysia, India, Mauritius, CEPA, India, UAE, and India, Australia Economic Forum. So with these countries, now these two things are yet to be implemented. They are trying to implement. More or less that was also implemented today. So India has 13 free trade agreements. Just remember this. Again I am repeating. FTA with Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, Japan, South Korea, Mauritius, UAE and Australia. Apart from that, the regional groupings are SAARC and ASEAN. So with these 13 you have. India also have preferential trade agreements, PTAs, with 6 countries, that is Asia Pacific Trade Agreement, Global System of Trade Preferences, SAARC Preferential Trade Partnership Agreement, India Afghanistan PTA, India Mercosur PTA, India Chile PTA, right? So 6 PTAs and 13 FTAs. Remember this, they might ask this question. Now what is PTA and what is FTA? In order to understand this, you have to understand the market system that is present. Right? Preferential trade agreement is the least integrating agreement, followed by FTA, followed by comprehensive economic cooperation agreement, customs union, common market and economic market. What are those things? I will just tell this in economy module. Just remember, PTA is the least form of integration, FTA is foreign trade agreement. Now, I will take another class to explain these terms called PTA, FTA, CECA, customs union, common market. For now, you remember that India has 6 PTAs and 13 FTAs. That's it. Remember the names also with which country you have FTAs. There was the Sambar deer is in news today. So IUCN status is vulnerable and it is the state animal of Odisha. Remember, the Sambar deer and the cheetal or the spotted deer are the prey for the leopards. India bought 8 leopards from Namibia. The Indian leopards were, not leopards, cheetahs. India bought 8 cheetahs from Namibia. Indian cheetahs were extinct. Asiatic cheetahs were critically endangered. Africa's cheetahs were also there, right? Now, Sambar and cheetal deer, these two are the prey for the so-called cheetahs. For cheetahs, this is the prey. So they might ask this. So spotted deers in Rajasthan, they were looked after by the so-called Bisnoy community. Now Sambar deer is the state animal of Odisha. Cheetal is the state animal of Telangana. Remember this, Telangana, cheetal or spotted deer. IUCN status of cheetal deer is least concern and this is vulnerable. There was one community called Kurmi tribes. Kurmi tribes are in Jharkhand, Odisha and West Bengal. Remember this. And the last one is the festival called Long Khan, L-A-N-G-K-H-Y, Long Khan festival, celebrated by the tribes of Tiwa, T-I-W-A. They are located in Tiwa tribes are located in Assam. What is the festival that they celebrate? Long Khan. So this is the current affairs for the day. We will just remember this. No need to remember extra things. We will meet tomorrow with the same current affairs. Thanks for joining. Have a nice day.